Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I just purchased a sprinkler system that has 4 sprinkler and 50 feet hose pipe. So I purchased it from Amazon. um, you can and it cost only $42. This is the Eden sprinkler system. As you can see from here, they are giving 4 sprinklers and 50 feet of hose pipe. You need to connect, cut the hose pipe and connect to the system. And this is mainly I'm gonna use for my backyard. Like as you can see from here, this line I will be covered. The other part will be covered with another one. So this is just extension, like to cover the whole area, actually my backyard. So I will be putting another video which will give you the idea how can you create your sprinkler system, low cost sprinkler system within almost $200. So there will be another video. I'll put the link inside under the description, in the description box, so you can check. And let's install this one first. So friends, this looks nice. Like you can use 360-degree and you can control the water also, and it looks nice. Actually, they are giving 4 flowers. That's why I purchased. There are a few other solutions you can check online, but I like these flowers. Even in front yard, if you want to use in front yard, this will be really nice. Like flowers are nice. So, and these are the base systems. So these are the base where it's gonna be connected, and the water hose pipe will come here. So let me install it. So friends, now I'm gonna connect this one like hose pipe connector. So this is the hose pipe connector actually. So you just need to take it off, and this is the hole. Then you have to put it inside. Just press it. Oh, sorry, I made mistake. I have to pass it first. So, then I'm gonna put it there. And that's it. And now tight it, so it's good. And this will be connected to the hose pipe directly. So let's connect to hose. So friends, this is my extension of the hose pipe, because I'm coming to the far end of the of my house. So here I'm gonna connect this one. So friends, I am now connecting one to this one sprinkler system. I just connected. And let me put this one. Then I will turn on the water line. It's for demo purpose, and then you can install however you want. There is a switch here, on, off. You can control the water, amount of water you want to pass. And if you want to connect another one extension, you can just connect here, take out this top, and you can connect. You can need to just cut the pipe and put it. That's all. Very simple. So I'm turning it on full, and I'm gonna put here. So friends, you can see how it is working. Let's see. You can make it full direction. This is really nice. and giving water to here.